Meet the all-new ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone. ECOVACS has created quite the army of floor cleaning robots, and I've reviewed most of them, from the X8 Pro Omni to the X9, the T80, and even the T30 Combo. There's an ECOVACS robot for any need or price range. In this video, I'll put the new X11 robot here to the test and take an in-depth look at the newest features. I'll also show you how it compares to the most recent ECOVACS release, the Deebot X9 Pro. I'll round things up by going over both the pros and the cons of this robot vacuum and mop to see if it might be right for you. I would like to say a quick thank you to ECOVACS for being an ongoing sponsor of my channel. The company did supply a robot for me to test and review here in my home. Let's unbox this new robot vacuum and mop and see what you're getting. You've got a few accessories, and the largest component is your brand new OmniCyclone station. Tucked inside a small suitcase-shaped box is the new Deebot X11, all wrapped up like a present. With a lovely brushed silver cover and some shiny metallic accents, it looks flashy and cool. Setup is simple. Place the station in an open area, flip the power switch in the back by the cord, fill the clean water tank, and then open up the hidden front panel. In here, there's storage for your cleaning brush and a dual-chambered tank for ECOVACS' new double-effect cleaning solutions. Fill both the heavy-duty solution and the light-duty solution. Deebot X11 will know just which one to use. Next, dock the robot and power it on underneath the cover. Then open your ECOVACS Home app, follow the simple instructions, and let it map your home. Within minutes, it'll create a detailed floor plan all by itself, and now it's ready to clean. I reviewed the Deebot X9 a few months ago and found it to be a pretty great floor cleaning bot. So how does the new X11 measure up just months later? It's almost like ECOVACS took all the best features from the X9 and improved them for the X11. Let's see how. One of the biggest upgrades is called power boost charging. Older floor bots could take hours to recharge enough to finish a job, so if you've got a bigger house, you're going to love this. Deebot X11 uses what's called GaN fast charging to recharge ultra quickly, so it's always ready. In my house, that meant it would clean the entire 1,000-square-foot main floor and still have plenty of battery left if I decided I wanted it to clean something else. And power boost fast charging also means that even when the robot heads back to base to empty its dustbin, it's going to top up the battery. Watch what happens when it docks. You can see in the app it's charging it too. This is GaN fast charging, the same technology used to quickly charge laptops and smartphones, where it's fast and efficient. On a robot vacuum, it means battery top-ups during short dock breaks instead of waiting hours for a full recharge. I'll speed it up for you here. The battery goes from 64% to 70% in just a 3-minute pit stop. The previous generation X9 Pro introduced the ECOVACS OZMORoller mop, but the X11 OmniCyclone's OZMORoller 2.0 has improved it. Now it scrubs using downward pressure and a new, more durable and abrasive nylon roller that spins at 200 RPMs. Plus, it keeps mopping with fresh water and just the right cleaning solution dispensed from those hidden tanks. And that rolling mop now extends 1.5 centimeters to hug baseboards and corners. That means coffee under the kitchen toe kicks? Gone. Next, I smeared mustard on the floor to see how it handles thicker, stickier messes. As you can see, Deebot X11 had no problem taking on this mess in one swipe. After having put the X9 through a full battery of cleaning tests and now doing the same with the X11 OmniCyclone, I can say the new X11 is even more powerful and effective. ECOVACS has also boosted the suction power from an already outstanding 16,600 pascals in the X9 Pro Omni to 19,500 pascals here. This is one of the highest suction robots you can buy today, and that should mean it's able to better power dirt and debris from nearly every surface. To test this out, I spilled oatmeal and cereal on both my carpet and hard floors. As you can see, on each surface, Deebot X11 was able to get about 99 to 100% of all the spills picked up. The robot's home base has been redesigned with pure Cyclone 2.0 auto-empty technology, which uses a powerful suction that channels dust and debris through several layers of filtration before it reaches the station's new bagless dustbin. This means there's no longer an ongoing cost to owning this device. With the easy-to-remove dustbin, you can simply tip it into your garbage can when it's full. The OmniCyclone station also now heats water to 75 degrees Celsius, which I believe is now hotter than previous ECOVACS robots, to wash and sanitize the mop and help keep germs and mildew away. Plus, that new dual cleaning solution tank lets you add cleanser for lighter daily washing, or that special stronger cleaner for whenever it's needed. And the Deebot X11 will figure out for itself exactly which one to use. The X11 can now climb over bigger flooring transitions than ever before, thanks to what's called TruePass technology. ECOVACS outfitted the bot with special mechanical climbing levers, and you can see them attached here to the wheels in blue. These levers activate whenever the vacuum crosses over uneven surfaces and can lift it an astonishingly high 4 centimeters. Now, in theory, this should help your robot navigate over not just flooring transitions, but thicker rugs and maybe other obstacles. What does it do in practice? I set up an obstacle course for Deebot with some 2-centimeter wood boards on the floor, and I set the Deebot X11 loose. As you can see, it tackled this course like a champ and was able to climb up and over these no problem, meaning even if you have pretty tall flooring transitions in your home, there'll be no match for this robot. ECOVACS robots like the X9 have always been adept at recognizing obstacles and avoiding problems. Now the X11 OmniCyclone's IV3D 3.0 sensor is even better at detecting the contours and shapes of other objects. To check this new advancement, I once again created an obstacle course. I placed coffee mugs, glassware, charging cables, and even a key to see what it would be able to recognize and avoid. Watch this. Look at how perfectly the Deebot X11 is able to navigate around every single object, getting right up to its edges but never touching it, never getting tangled, and not breaking a thing. This is beyond impressive. I will also point out a handful of more common robot floor cleaner features that this robot also has. Using the ECOVACS Home app, it's easy to schedule your robot to run on a fully automated schedule, have it do certain rooms on certain days, or mop one day and vacuum another. You can also customize the robot to clean according to your preferences, set it to vacuum only, or to vacuum and mop at the same time, or to vacuum first and then go out and mop. You can also adjust the suction, which adjusts the noise level too. And new is agent hosting mode, where Deebot X11 will learn your home environment and automatically adjust to create the best possible clean. Clean the kitchen.
Okay, I'm going.
ECOVACS voice assistant also makes a return to the Deebot X11. With Yiko, you don't need any additional smart home speakers or other tech. Just use plain language to talk to your assistant. In just a few months, ECOVACS has taken the X9 Pro's strengths and improved on every single one, and basically put all of those improvements into the brand new X11 OmniCyclone. Let's go over both the pros and the cons of this robot so you can see if it might be right for your home. On the pro side, it cleans extremely well whether it's vacuuming or mopping. The increase in vacuum suction to 19,500 pascals is a big leap. Plus, with the addition of the OZMORoller 2.0 with Magic Scour, it's able to tackle tougher stains. Power Boost fast charging is a great addition and keeps the bot working instead of waiting. And with the new edge cleaning technology of TrueEdge 3.0 and extended reach, it's able to get into tighter spaces too. With better object recognition, it's less prone to getting stuck, and on that topic, anything it may get stuck on, it's now able to power itself over, courtesy of the ambitiously named TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing system. And it also includes popular expected features like voice assistance, zero-tangle technology, and scheduling, as well as customizable cleaning. I also think it is one of the quietest running floorbots I've ever used. So what are the potential downsides? With this much cleaning and smarts inside a robot vacuum and mop, it's hard to criticize. I find the biggest hang-up for people is usually the large size of the multi-purpose base station and the fact that it does need a large area to come and go easily. Surprisingly, ECOVACS is not charging a premium for its new flagship robot. It's keeping the $14.99 US price of the previous generation robot. You can use the link in the description to get your Deebot X11 OmniCyclone. And speaking of the previous generation, if you want to see why I'm a big fan of ECOVACS, you can watch my reviews of the Deebot X9 or see the T30 Omni right now.